Exclusive, Lance Daly, the Irish director who most recently helmed the Irish historical pic Black 47 that bowed this year at the Berlin Film Festival, has signed with APA. The film stars Hugo Weaving, James Fashville, Stephen Rea, and Jim Broadbent, and just had its North American premiere at the Toronto Film Festival. IFC Films is distributing it in the U. The film, set in 1847, follows an Irish ranger who has been fighting for the British Army abroad when he abandons his post to reunite with his family during the Great Famine. Despite experiencing the horrors of war, he is shocked by the famine's destruction of his homeland and the brutalization of his people and his family at the hands of the British, setting him on a path of vengeance. Daly's credits writing and directing Last Days in Dublin, The Halo Effect, Live Sabres and Kisses, the latter of which bowed at Toronto in 2008. He also directed 2011's The Good Doctor, which starred Orlando Bloom, Riley Keough, J.K. Simmons and Taraji P. Henson. Here's the Black 47 trailer. https://u2b/2psgctvc.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.